to open the box. This of course will lock should you want it to lock. You press these and the box will lift open on gas rams. To get into the ramp, you press the push button there and that will then come down. I'll show you inside while the ramp is down. The black thing up in the top corner is your camera system. That's the camera showing inside the horse area. At the rear of the box is a small black dot, and that's the camera showing the rear view. There's a window here, an opening window, that you could shout at your horses or communicate with your horse should you need to. We would always put a single horse on the far side, which is the passenger side, and the second horse on this side. And on the floor, we would always put shavings to soak up any urine that gets in there. Wet urine on the horse's feet makes it quite slippy, so we put probably an inch of shavings on the back and then a scattering of shavings on the front. Whilst the partition will move up and down at the back into different positions, we find we never need to do that. And if you were to want to give a horse more or less room, to do that at the front is just fine. That would give a horse more room. We leave the back where it is. This little knob here is quite useful. It takes out some of the rattle, and it also holds this in position. So when you close this partition, it means when that's nipped up that the hole lines up and it's easier to insert the pin. There's a lock under there, locking pin under there. You don't actually need it, it's not really very relevant. That horse isn't going to escape and draw the pin out, so it's not really necessary. You've got a tie at the top, which is for a hay net. You've got a tie lower down, which I suggest you put a chain on to about this position here. And I also suggest you put a chain on the side tie to about the same position. And you'll find that's about right for side tying your horse and front tying it. If you front tie only, they can have quite a lot of movement with a flexible neck and a long piece of rope. You don't want them to find it attractive to jump over this partition. That's a really bad thing. We use a piece of bicycle inner tube from a mountain bike and pass it 3 times through the ring and tie a knot and then put the chain onto that. And it actually means that when the horse throws his head to the side, there's some spring and give and it won't break the lead rope or the head collar.